Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete all at once chats in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments. So let us get down to this topic with you. And to begin with, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Next, you will need to go to Settings at the bottom. Now select the Chat section. And if you scroll to the very bottom, you will see that there is the lowest feature here, which is called Delete All Chats. Click on it. Next, you will need to enter your phone number to confirm that it is really you. Then click Delete All Chats again. And your chats will be deleted all at once. This is a good way if you want to, so to speak, start again. Clear everything in WhatsApp and start all the conversations again if you have a lot of old chats of some kind. But I will warn you that this action is irreversible. That is, after deleting the chats, you will not be able to restore them in any way. So you should first make sure that you do not delete anything very important in this way. Friends, this is the way you can delete all chats at once in WhatsApp. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please give your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.